Hello, my name is Nigel English. For my word test, we've been assigned to do a video uh, presentation about the three documents that we did during the in modules. So the first one that I did was the multi-page documents for the word test, and I talked about the Canada provinces and territories. What I did for the assignment was I made a cover page with the title and adding pictures, as well as writing my name at the bottom and changing the font to changing the fonts in the cover page. And for the second page, or the first page, what I did was I took the topics and used the style headings, heading one, to not mark the, when you saw that, for my headlines of the, of each topic, like for Canada, then I talked about the short paragraph. And for the provinces, I made a list and I used the bulletin, and I changed the bulletin to maple leaf pictures instead of the dots or shapes. And I converted the text into a table, and I added the title page, like provinces of Quebec, and listed the provinces. And I also added pictures that the that the represents the topic. And for the territory of Canada, what I did was I used a smart art, and I created the three territories that in Canada territories, using the smart art and using the color scheme to mask the whole document. Color red. And for the oceans, I use the multi bulletins for to talk about the oceans. Like the first sea level is the maple leaf, then the second circle, and then the third one is the square. And where I got the information was at the online, and I included the words cited as the to show where I got my info from. Okay, moving on to newspaper. For the new newspaper exercise, I use the same techniques and formatting from the book. I made a title page and used word art, and then I formatted into a to wavy lines, and then I changed the colors, like from dark, light colors. And I also added the maple leaf, because in the first module there was a symbol, not symbol, a question mark right here for to mask what the topic is. So I added a maple leaf. And I also added the monthly in the subtitle, not the subtitle, I should say, like monthly newspaper and issues. Since it's September, so I used the September 9, issue 9. And then I added a border, the same colors as the title page. And I also did the drop text on the cattle at the beginning of the newspaper, like, and I did the spacing between each word to match the little bit from the modules. And I also added spacing between each topic. And then I made shorten it, or not shorten it, but a little bit short fonts to attach the topic. And I also did the uh, text box where I took from the quote, a quote from the article. In this case, I took it from the first three letters from the national anthem, "Oh Canada, our home and native land." The reason why I added that was to capture the reader's attention. And then obviously the newspaper has 3 columns. So I had to wrap around the text of the pictures or the text box, and added the column is divider. And yeah, it's a simple project. Yeah, and also the page uh, not spacing, what do you call it? Border. I used the same picture and not picture, but the drawing, and change the color. So I tried to make like one page of a simple newsletter. Okay, and the next assignment is mail merge. For this exercise, I had to create my own logo and my contact information. So I used the address from at the school, and then the phone number, like different phone numbers, like 418, and then I added my school email and also my website, where I'll be posting all these assignments into in the video. For this the assignment, I had to like add the address box, ingredients line, company name, title, and letter name. Well, what that means is that you have I use the email merge field, insert fields, we could call them, the company name, title, and names. The first, before starting this assignment, you have to create your reception list. And I made 4 receptions lists, and to show you the final results, it's it creates like 4 documents. No, this is just preview. the first name, Jimmy J, and see the changes to their names. And then I also added the link print screen, where if you press on it, it will take you to a blank document of the mail merge to show that I'm able to use to link each document into another document. And for my reception list, I made that directory. And this is the VOT merge that I use. Title, first name, last name, company name, address line 2, address line 1, line 2, city, province, and zip code. And the final one, assignment should the merge reception list. This is what it looked like. So I added the first at the top column, and then not formatting, but adjusting the size just to fit everything in one line, and there's instead of to make it more professional. Yeah. Yeah, that's about it. And have a nice day. Stop recording.